Okay, we're going to replace the rear insert on a 2003 Highlander Limited. And this is just the wiper insert, not the blade. This does not have a replaceable arm on it. First step is to take off your cover. Simply put your fingers under, pull up, and pull cover off. Then you can grab your wiper arm and pull it all the way up. Second step is to get under the end of the blade and kind of walk it over this lip right there. And then just pull it all the way off. Then you're going to take your metal inserts, and there's a groove inside this blade. One of these goes on each side. Once they're in, it looks kind of like that, like they're not even there. Then you will take, there's a channel that you're going to slide into the first spot. It's a tight fit, and then just walk the blade on, each step going into that same channel. And then usually you have to kind of push in on the ends. Wiper blade back down. And reinstalled cover.